Hey guys, welcome to the channel again. It's pre-Christmas spirit. One day to go for Christmas Eve and then 2 days for the Christmas. Yeah, I'm gonna start working on my wings finally. Um, Basically, what I have to do, I have to sand everything, strip again those lines down. That helped me only fly now so that I could see a little bit of a difference. But strip everything down, see how much I have to basically putty it. It was already done on few points, but still, there are for sure some things that I will find to putting, not much. And basically, this is a very, very straightforward job. I will keep you posted so you see how things are done. So yeah, let's get to the work. So the first thing is first, I need to dismantle the whole elevator by pulling this pin out. See, it pulled this pin out and the elevator then just goes out. That's how it's done. And then off to some sanding. As you can see, guys, I've done the first elevator. Everything is sanded, cleaned. Towards the light, the surface is completely flush, so it's gonna be quite nice for painting. As well, this one I still need to do here some sanding, but not much. And then of course still sanding with the 1300 paper or 1500 paper, and then I will go and clean up and it's ready for priming. Yay! So I've done both the elevators. I had to do quite some of the putting here. I'm still waiting for this one to cure here, and now once I await that, I'm gonna put on this elevator deflector or control surface. I'm gonna put those beautiful trim rods made by JP Warbirds. So basically, definitely it goes here on 1/3 of this elevator trim flap. So it's gonna go here, and then the other will go on the other side. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So hopefully it turns out the best. So, elevators are done. They are sanded down. I have put the trim rods in, as you can see. Made a little hole here and put them in. They look like they should on the real plane. If you see the picture as well, you see quite a lot of similarity. So I have done it so they look as much as the real thing, and it's a small little detail, but it adds up to the whole look. This is a little preview of what it's about to come next after Christmas, of course. So basically what I'm gonna do, I have to of course disassemble everything, sand it down, but before I do that, I want to get rid of these push rods. So what I'm gonna do is basically I'll find out how much space is here. So I will turn the servo, and once I've turned the servo, I'm gonna make a small little here, this smaller horn, and basically run it from inside to a smaller horn from here out. Is gonna be, so everything is gonna be flush. I don't want those to be out, but I have to see, because basically the ratio between horn and the servo arm should be 2 to 1, so twice a size of the horn than on the servo arm. I mean, from the center up. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. And then it's about scaling. I need to put the lights in. I need to reinstall the lights in. Talking about the lights, as you can see here, there are already 3 lights. So those lights has to be installed, and they are exactly the same size. So basically they'll come like this. Of course, I will have the controller inside. So those lights gonna be here. Then for these, I have to install again these trim rods. Moving down from the wing, basically inside the compartment here. What I'm gonna do is, maybe I can even open this. 1 second. Let me see. Yes. Hello. So there is a lot of details to be done here. Of course, riveting all this, sanding it down. Then inside of this thing, I'm gonna scale everything inside. So it has to be this door to be done. All these gaps that you see at the moment that are very big are definitely gonna go small. I want them like 0 gaps. And then the next thing is basically install those machine guns that are coming here. And yes, I mean, that would be it with the wing, with the upper part of the wing. Now the lower part, the lower part of the wing, I'm sorry. Then the lower part, upper part of the wing, Jesus. The upper part of the wing looks like that. So there are a lot of rivets here, yeah. So it's kind of nice, but I want to put it a little bit more. However, all these rivets here that you see at the moment, they will have to be puttied, because on the real scale airplane, if you see this picture that I'm gonna show you, it's all puttied. So basically, I'm gonna putty it through, so this is gonna be completely flush. Then I'm gonna make the rivets here on inside, because there are no rivets on this side. So I'll have to make those rivets. So everything is gonna be nice and more scale. So yeah, that awaits me on the wings. So big project, but I'm looking forward. So thank you very much and see you soon.